Left anterior oblique caudal view of left coronary angiogram resembles a spider and hence the term spider view. Cine angiogram is included in this topic. Spider view is useful in delineating left main coronary artery and the proximal region of major branches. It is often the first view taken during coronary angiography, especially when left main disease is suspected. Please subscribe to this channel for future updates. Click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon after that for all updates. Abbreviations used: LMCA, left main coronary artery; LCX, left circumflex coronary artery. Lesion in LCX marked by yellow arrow. LAD, left anterior descending coronary artery. Early OM, early obtuse marginal branch of the LCX. Dye or contrast reflex into the aorta from LMCA is seen. Absence of dye reflex would mean left main ostial disease or rarely spasm. Here is the cine of the left coronary angiogram in spider view. Left main coronary artery bifurcation into left anterior descending and left circumflex coronary artery is seen well. Judkins left catheter is seen in the left coronary ostium, being a transfemoral angiogram. Obtuse marginal branch of left circumflex is also seen well. This is another angiogram in spider view. In this case, left main is not seen well as it is a delayed image. Proximal tight stenosis of the LAD is seen, as well as significant stenosis of an OM branch of left circumflex coronary artery. Spider view is not good for visualizing the distal parts of the left system and foreshortens the coronary branches. Yet this view is useful during coronary angioplasty to check whether a stent placed in the proximal LAD is impinging on the left main or likely to pinch this ostium of the left circumflex. Dye reflux in the left aortic sinus of Valsalva is seen in this image, indicating that there is no wedging of the catheter in the left coronary ostium. If there is wedging, the pressure monitored from the catheter tip will be damped and angina, ST segment elevation or hypotension are likely if the catheter is not promptly withdrawn and repositioned. Wedging at the left main ostium should also alert us to the possibility of significant left main ostial stenosis. Injecting into the left main ostium in a wedged position can cause ostial dissection and catastrophic outcome unless it is promptly recognized and managed. A large coronary aneurysm of left anterior descending coronary artery in Behçet's disease has been described as a spider in spider view. Here are a couple of journal references on spider view. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.